In this video series, we have already seen about buying Spanish property, some of the processes and its legalities. But what about when you've done all this and already owned your property? Time goes by and circumstances change. A common question that we get frequently asked is about gifting the property to other family members, be it as a true gift or as a way to avoid a future inheritance process. Come with me to Abaco and we'll go over the process, when it would be advantageous to look at donating as opposed to selling or inheriting, and the general pros and cons involved. What is a donation? A donation is a gift of an asset, either money or property, that is given to another person during their lifetime. This means that you're handing over the property to someone else who will be the one on the title deeds and the owner of your house. Therefore, you want to make sure that you give it to someone you trust, for example your children, as they would be the ones responsible for looking after the property and making the decisions over it. However, this doesn't mean that you have to move out of your home. You can donate the ownership of the property, but keep the use of it. This is called usufruct. This arrangement remains during an agreed time, which is usually until you pass away. One of the main reasons why we recommend to donate the property is to avoid any future complications that may arise when making the necessary tax payments upon your death or any possible disputes between your inheritors. By donating now, you ensure that you leave everything sorted for your inheritors and for your peace of mind too, making you feel more at ease. This process is also more straightforward than the inheritance one. Less documentation is needed, hence it is less expensive. Another positive aspect about it is that under current legislation you can take advantage of some of the reductions applicable to close members in some of our regions. So, some regions have specific allowances that reduce significantly the amount of donation tax to be paid, being in some cases zero or close to zero. These allowances apply for close relatives, that is parents, grandparents or grandchildren, who are European citizens, regardless of being residents or non-residents in Spain. If giving it away to a more distant family member or to a person who's not related to you at all, then the amount of tax that they could expect to pay would depend on several factors, such as the price of the property to be donated and its location. Therefore, depending on the location, the value and the relation to the benefactor, it may be more or less beneficial to donate or to bequeath. Make sure you contact your solicitor or us at Abaco to calculate the tax implications before you make a decision. In order to start the process, only a few documents are needed: title deeds, copy passports, NI numbers if you have them, and a copy of the EB bill or council tax. If you don't wish to come to Spain to carry out this process, or if this is difficult for you, you can easily grant a power of attorney. For more information about power of attorney, you can check out our other video here. Once all these documents have been gathered, it is necessary to sign a new deed before a notary, where the state registered in the name of the donor would be transferred to the donee. As you can see, this is a quick and simple process that doesn't even require you to come to Spain. We hope that you found this video useful, and if you'd like to get more information, please visit our website abacoadvisors.com or visit the link in the description below.